Life is not a battle, life is a game. To play the game of life, you need to understand spiritual and metaphysical laws. 3 simple rules to play the game of life are fearless faith, non-resistance, and love. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shireen Saluja and today we're going to talk about the game of life and how to play it. The Game of Life and How to Play It is a classic law of attraction book written by Florence Scovel Shinn in the year 1925. So about 100 years later, and this book is still highly relevant, especially right now as we are navigating this very difficult and very uncertain time period. I have listened to the audio version of this book many times in the last 5 years, and every time I turn to this book I end up feeling so good afterwards, like I go into a really high vibe place. So in my opinion, this is one of the best books on the law of attraction out there, and that's saying a lot. The audio version is only 2.5 hours long, so it is not a big commitment as far as time is concerned. The main message for me from this book this time was to let go and let God, to trust, to believe, to surrender, to ask God to step in and take care of the needful. Every demand has a supply, and God is your supply. When you become fearless and when you have that faith and you decide to face that situation anyway, the situation almost always disappears. This is the law of non-resistance. Whatever we resist in our lives persists, okay? Whatever we fear, we manifest. So right now, the one big thing, because of whatever is going on in the world, there is a lot of fear. Fear is inverted faith. It is like believing in the evil and not in the good. I don't think that thing that we keep talking about 24/7 is the biggest problem. The biggest virus is our fear. So I'm not saying that don't follow the rules and don't take precautions. Do all of that. Be safe. But at the same time, please, can you try and let go of your fear? Okay? And just trust that God will protect you. Or whatever you choose to believe in, the universe, higher consciousness, your higher self, infinite intelligence, wherever your faith lies, believe that that source, that creator will take care of you and will protect you. And even if something was to happen, it will get okay. So that mindset is the law of attraction mindset that we all need right now to get through this difficult time period. This is not about manifesting $1 million bajillion out of thin air, but this is about believing and trusting that whatever you need in your life right now will be delivered to you at the right time, at the right place. But you have to have that faith. So the book talks a lot about Jesus Christ, but it is not religious at all. It is totally spiritual. So don't let that discourage you from consuming this content. The book also talks about the power of your subconscious mind and how to use affirmations in the right way. The last chapter is dedicated to affirmations, and some of these affirmations are fabulous and you can adopt them into your life as well. If you are new to the law of attraction, this book is fabulous. If you are familiar with the law of attraction, this book is fabulous. This book is only 2.5 hours long, and if you listen to the audiobook, you can actually increase the speed to 1.5, which means that you're basically spending 2 hours on this book. It is a fabulous book. You will not regret listening to it. And this book was actually published in 1925, as I mentioned before. So it is now in the public domain in United States of America. So that means that this book has been circulated and mass published for free all over the internet. You can go on to www.librivox.org and you can listen to this book for free. I think you can also download the ebook version, but I'm not sure because I am an audiobook girl, so I only saw the audio version and that is available for sure. A disclaimer before I sign off. This doesn't mean that we don't have to do the work. It doesn't mean that we just have to sit and wait for things to happen. We of course have to put in the work, but we have to have that unshakable faith and that trust and that belief that it will come to us. What we want will manifest. Okay, so do the work and have that unshakable faith. That's the message, right? And this book is full of law of attraction success stories, and these success stories are going to make you feel so good, and they will put a huge smile on your face, and you will definitely find that faith. You will definitely start trusting again if you haven't been doing that. If you get this book after watching my video, please let me know if you liked it, if you found it useful. I would love to hear from you. And on that note, I am going to wrap this video up. I hope you found today's video useful. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.